Hi, I'm Ali, and in today's video I thought I would share with you how to use the Gua Sha tool to really help with puffy eyes. We're going to do some great massage exercises using this tool and then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage release. So first things first, you want to make sure that your tool is nice and clean. This is a jade one. They come in lots of different materials, such as rose quartz and various others. I do, though, personally like to use something natural and like a natural stone. And I like to start off with a clean skin, so no product onto the skin first, just nice and clean. Now I am going to use a little bit of facial oil here, so this is a rose hip. If you have something such as an eye cream, that's great too, because whatever we apply to our face is really going to penetrate into the skin and work even better and deeper. You don't have to, but I do also find you get a little bit more of a slip and glide as well. And the skin around the eyes is so tiny, is so fine and delicate. You want to be very careful. So with my facial oil, I'm just applying the oil where the bone is under the eye, because whatever you apply under your eyes is going to act like blotting paper and draw up within the eye. So just a little bit under the eyes by the bone, side of the temples, and just a little bit above and under the eyebrows, and then just moving a little bit of the facial oil in front and behind the ears and down the big SCA muscle down to the collarbone. So first of all, I'm going to take my tool here, and where it is just literally above, almost like the top of love heart, I'm placing it, the love heart part, where the bone is. And I like to use this fairly flat personally myself for more surface area. Place my hand as an anchor and just very gently glide all along the bone in a slight upwards motion towards the temple here, and just gliding that nice, slow and mindful. Now if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with blood flow and circulation to the head and also the neck area. This is also calming down the nervous system. We hold a lot of tension within the face, so calming everything down whilst you're using our Gua Sha tool is going to really relax the facial muscles and the face, and then also softening those fine lines and wrinkles. So now I'm working on the other side, again, slow and mindful. And what we're doing here, we're also helping moving toxins and waste literally to the side, which can accumulate under the eyes to really, this will actually help with that puffiness. Gliding nice and long here, moving everything outwards. And then with the tool part at the end here, just massage between the eyes again, really helps with the nervous system. And then the other way. And then taking the tool parts here, I'm just placing it above my eyebrows here and just gently gliding along towards the temples. Nice light touch. And then on the other side. We just do this 3 times on each side. And then with the end part of the tool, I'm just going to massage just inside the bone by the eye here, nice and light, one way and then the other way, round circular motion. And then if you can, just very, very gently glide along, feather-light touch towards the temple. And then on the other side, again, for just a nice slight touch one way, round circular motion, and then the other. Change hand here so you can see, and then again I like to hold and just press just for a bit of an anchor and just gently glide under the eyebrow, feather light touch towards the temple. And then with the long parts here, placing hand as an anchor, and again just gently gliding now along the bone towards the temple here. And then I'm taking the end part of the tool here, well, the top part, and I'm gliding now from the temple to the front of the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes. So moving everything along and downwards now. And then behind the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then with the parts here, it really works quite well because it literally cups behind the ear and under. And if you just gently glide down the big ACM muscle down to the collarbone. I always want to swallow when I'm doing this. So then let's take the other side. So grabbing this part here, placing hands and anchor, and just gently glide all along, helping reduce those puffiness within the eyes. This is a great one to do in the morning actually. Obviously you can do it any time of the day, making sure it's nice and flat. And if you like, beforehand, before you use your Gua Sha tool, you can actually place it into the fridge so it's nice and cool to help reduce any inflammation and puffiness as well. So now let's take the parts here, which is the end part, and just glide down the front of the ear where those lymph nodes are, and then behind the ear. And then with the end part of this tall part here, which is almost like a curve, which fits quite nicely under the ear, gliding down that big SCM muscle to the collarbone. And I like to do this 3 times. And then I always like to finish off with the final lymphatic drainage release. So from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some indentations. And if you can just give those a final gentle press, this will release all the toxins and waste using our Gua Sha tool to really help with puffiness within the eyes into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will place another video and playlist if you'd like to join me there. And also please comment down below, tell me where you're from, and also if there's any other facial massage exercises and lymphatic drainage you'd like me to share with you. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Sorry, it's getting quite long. And also a thumbs up, it really helps with the algorithm. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.